Hello everyone, my name is Marat and welcome to our Marine Biological Center. Hello, my name is Marat, I'm a marine biologist and I joined this fascinating property in April 2023. I'm very passionate about marine life and to protect it and conserve for future generations. And this is our focus in Marine Center. So first what we can see, it's our tank where we have decoration, what we call the magic mushroom, because it's the same replica of magic mushroom snorkeling spot, what we have in front of resort. And inside the tank we can see sea urchins, long spine sea urchins, who are living together with pajama cardinal fish. We put them together with a reason, because when pajama cardinal fish will have babies will use sea urchins like a spiky shelter to be protected from predators. So please take a look. Here we can see a phyra stage of jellyfish. It's just like a newborn jellyfish. It will grow up bigger, but all of them, even the biggest ones, they begin their journey with these tiny guys. Here we can see Stark Tower. It's our replica of snorkeling spot in front of resort. And in our house reef, you can see clownfish just under the Stark Tower. Here you can see this Phosphercula clownfish are swimming around magnificent anemones. Yeah, and everyone can see how they are hiding and how they are living together with the sea anemones. Here we have our starfish touch pool, where under my supervision, guests can gently touch starfish and explore them closer than they can see in the sea. Probably you can see our jellyfish tanks. And the main goal, what we want to explain to our guests, how jellyfish look so similar as the plastic bags in the water. And sea turtles, by accident, can consume plastic bags instead of jellyfish, and after they can die. Here we have our jellyfish farm, where we are raising our babies of jellyfish, what we use for our exhibition. Please welcome to see our jellyfish farm. Mural, you can see the idea of jellyfish in our marine center. Because the sea turtle now is targeting to catch plastic bag instead of jellyfish. Because it's been confused as plastic bags look semi-transparent the same way as a jellyfish. Here you can see our jellyfish teenagers, which are growing up in our jellyfish farm, and after they will be removed to our aquariums upstairs. Thank you everyone for joining for tour with me, and it's time to feed the jellyfish. See you, bye bye.